Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate fondant cake. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and butter and flour 4 ramekins. Melt 100 grams of dark chocolate with 100 grams of butter in a double boiler or microwave. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with 50 grams of sugar until light and fluffy. This creates the perfect base for your delicious dessert. Once your chocolate and butter are melted and slightly cooled, carefully fold them into the egg and sugar mixture. Then, gradually add 30 grams of all-purpose flour, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the fondants tough. The goal is a smooth, rich batter ready for baking. Now, divide your luscious batter evenly among the 4 prepared ramekins, filling each about 2/3 full. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake in your preheated oven for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. The baking time is crucial for that perfect molten center, so keep a close eye on them. The edges should look set. Once baked, let your chocolate fondants cool for just 1 minute before carefully inverting them onto serving plates. A quick dust of powdered sugar or a few fresh berries makes for a beautiful presentation. Serve these warm, as the molten chocolate center is truly the star of this dessert. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.